All right, this is going to be the last video until Thursday, or I'll put them up on Wednesday probably. But we're going to talk about tolerance. Tolerance is something that comes up in science and tech. Sometimes in science and technological fields, there can be some variance allowed in a measurement. For example, there could be variance in machining processes, variance in the acidity of water that fish need to survive, variance in the width of bowling lanes. I believe there's also variance in the size of a football you can use. So this variance is called tolerance and gives us the maximum and minimum allowable measurements. So for example, the length of a bowling lane must be 62 feet, 10 and 3/16 inches, plus or minus 1/2 inch. When we see this symbol right here, that means plus or minus. So if we want to find the allowable length of the bowling alley, we add and subtract that 1/2 inch. So we start with the 62 feet, 10 and 3/16 inches, plus 1/2 inch. Well, 1/2 inch is 8/16 of an inch. So 10 and 3/16 plus 8/16 is 11/16. So that's 62 feet, 10 and 11/16 inches. That's not much of a difference when it comes to the length of the bowling lane, but that's the maximum it can be to be a regulation bowling lane. On the other hand, we can subtract that 1/2 inch. And when we do that, we wind up with 62 feet, 9 and 11/16 inches. The difference between the minimum and the maximum is only an inch, but if it doesn't fall within those constraints, the bowling alley may have to do some work to make sure that they're regulation for any tournament play.